Welcome to Olivia Media.
The wording of this which will come here, constitutional crisis, Madam Speaker, that wording is wrong. The second thing, Madam Speaker, there is a statement of images. That also is wrong, because when we are talking about images, we are actually provoking laws regarding the images. If you talk about laws regarding images, we must declare the state of the emergency, the state of the crisis, the magnitude of the crisis, how many people will be affected, and what level will be affected, and how much government funds and public resources will be committed, and even the period over which that crisis is going to occur. Madam Speaker, none of them have been provided to this House. We don't know how many people will be affected in this crisis. We don't know how much will be affected in this crisis. The Electoral Commission has never submitted that there is that kind of an anomaly. Madam Speaker, the anomaly in the electoral law is not something which is a crisis in the Constitution. Madam Speaker, no wonder people all over in this country and before 1994 have alluded that MCP is a constitutional terrorist under the guise of electoral laws, which is not correct. They rejected the democracy in 1992. Now they are coming here to reject the democracy again. Madam Speaker, the Alliance for Democracy will stand firm. The Constitution must be respected. We cannot tear apart the Constitution. No, not at all. Madam Speaker, how much you will do, how much you will rip the Constitution. You have ripped the Constitution of Malawi Congress Party, where the line mate becomes a vice president of the party. They have ripped it again. Don't rip the Constitution of Malawi. It is very bad, and it cannot be taken for granted. And my sister has taken time to defend MCP left and right, making me point of order. What you want to say, Zimbabwe?
Debate on the issues on the floor, please.
Madam Speaker, it's a dangerous party. It's a party of killers. It's a party that can kill even in South Chilima. Madam Speaker, don't allow them to kill the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi. Our forward will not take this as a simple thing. Madam Speaker, let the terrorists go to the dungeon. On 16th September, Malawians are answering to the terrorists. You are going to be arrested. And I'm taking over as Minister of Justice, Chimwendo, be watchful. This is a country that belongs to all of us, not to Chimwendo. No, not at all. I am saying this because this is a serious concern. We have ripped the Constitution of Malawi Congress Party. My sister has been thrown out. Now we are ripping the Constitution of Malawi. No. I, for one, even if I stand up alone, I am standing and representing the people of the North. I am standing and representing the people of Malawi. We fought, even if it is a small party, I fought alone, fought democracy, and removed Malawi Congress Party. Today, we are witnessing history again, when we are removing Malawi Congress Party from the government again. On 16 September, when you go, Chimwendo, prepare yourself. On 16 September, when we come, Titus Ovaro, you are breaking the Constitution, prepare yourself. We will remove the SC, because the cabinet that is there is a cabinet that must respond to the people of Malawi. We cannot have a cabinet that is not responding to the people of Malawi. Madam Speaker, you can't reject a report of the Legal Affairs Committee. And in that kind of spirit, you can't reject parliamentary decision. Madam Speaker, I'm speaking here for the last time in this session. This session, Madam Speaker, which the Minister of Justice has called for, and in consultation with the President, it has no time, it has no reference. We don't know whether we're debating in the 51st session or we're debating in the 52nd.
Consider winding up, Honorable Member from Zimba North, please.
In winding up, Madam Speaker, I, as the next responsible government minister, Madam Speaker, all these amendments will be taken over. And as a responsible speaker, I'm commanding Malawi Electoral Commission to relook at the provisions in the Constitution, not to look at the provisions of the law. They will guide them how the voting system will take place. Machinga has debated and explained properly and given wisdom. It's better to listen to wisdom than to listen to junk. Madam Speaker,
few remarks,
with these few remarks, Madam Speaker, I am seriously issuing a warrant of arrest to this cabinet. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thanks for watching Olivia Media. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.